What's up, everybody? I wanted to do some technique tips on single arm 10-2 mace swings. Since I'm still hot and heavy on single arm 10-2s. One thing that's really important when you're bringing the mace over and the pullover is you'll want to crank over with your core, pull with your lower body as you're extending your arm back into order position. And then as you reach to grab the handle, you turn back into it so you see the head of the mace. And that'll really help you complete that rep. And then of course you cast it back and you pull and then turn back into it. Do a couple reps. And that'll help, so that'll help complete that motion. And it feels a little awkward at first, and I had a couple squirrely ones in there. But when you get it dialed in, it'll really help you push your single arm mace 10-2s, which I just love them more and more. Every time I do single arm work, I just feel like I'm getting the most benefit I can in my upper body without overloading, you know, my hips and my spine. Whereas, I mean, super heavy two-handed swings are awesome too, but for me right now, I just feel like I'm just getting the most bang for my buck with the single arm work. And you can just push volume, you can push load, do all of it, same as you do anything. And it's great. The grip strength has been getting pretty absurd, especially single arm swinging 52 pounds a couple weeks ago. You know, because I wasn't even using the pommel. My hand's usually close, but not ever pressed up against it. And you think about what load that is going through that arc with 52 pounds on the mace. You know, it's good. It's good for your grip strength, good for your body. So give that a try. Let us know what you think, and we'll see you on the next video.